Will presents now. Who's this? Shahil.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I will say.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am, and to one and all present here. Today I am going to discuss about soil pollution. Sorry. Ma'am, wait 1 second, okay?
Yeah. You just
And
shared the script.
wait, ma'am. It's going, something is coming. Good morning, ma'am, and to one and all present here. Today I am going to discuss about digestive system.
Please share the screen. You're not sharing the screen. Share
Ma'am,
your share the content.
ma'am, before it came, na,
Before it was coming, but now it's again.
automatically it went this.
Try to share it again.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, have you seen now?
No. No, you have to click on the share button. No, on below your like screen there is a option like to share. So you should click that and then share the screen.
But ma'am, I will rejoin it back. Wait.
Okay, anyone else is there? Anyone else is there? You can give. I told like to prepare 4 5 people. It's
Ma'am.
visible now. Yes, it's visible. I can explain.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am, and to one and all present here. Today I am going to discuss about digestive system. The primary sector of digestive system are mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestines, large intestine, rectum. So now we are going to talk about each of the system and its function. The primary function of digestive system is the conversion of food into small molecules that can be used by body cells. The food is processed into four different steps: ingestion, digestion, absorption, and elimination. Ingestion is simply putting food in our mouth. Digestion can be categorized into two different digestions: mechanical digestions and chemical digestions. Now, mechanical digestion. Physical breakdown of large fishes into smaller fishes, and chemical digestion, enzymes break down into molecules that body can use. And the absorption, food molecules are absorbed into the circulatory system by small intestine cells. And finally, elimination. Material the body cannot digest travel through large intestines and are eliminated as feces. Here is the picture of digestive system, first shown in the picture. The process of digestive system is when the digestion travels in the mouth, esophagus, stomach, and small intestine. Starting the mouth, tears, grinds, saliva, enzymes, kill phytogens, carbohydrate breakdown begins approximately 1 minute. And the second is esophagus, the tube leading from the pharynx to the stomach. Peristalsis, concentrations of smooth muscle to move food through esophagus to the stomach, approximately 2 to 3 seconds. And the stomach. Glands in the stomach lining release hydrochloric acid and the enzyme pepsin to break down protein in smaller polypeptide fragments. Concentrations of stomach muscle sound the contents. Protein digestion begin approximately 2 to 4 hours. Now the small intestines. Liquid mixture created in stomach slowly release. Fat digestion begin. Pancreatic enzymes and duodenum enzymes complete digestion and approximately 3 to 5 hours. And finally, the last one is large intestine. Water is absorbed, undigested material, prepare for elimination as feces. Now recap of digestion process. Point number one, carbohydrate digestions begin in the mouth. Two, digestions begin in the stomach. And point number three, fats digestions begin in the small intestines. And point number four, what is absorbed into a large intestines. And the last one is undigested material eliminated as species. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Show me the other, like previous slide, last, before things, last slide. Show me that slide once. Show me the previous slide once. Yeah, this one. Yeah, yeah. It is stuck. Your screen is stuck.
Ma'am, my
Okay,
screen is
okay.
moving now.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. You can, like stop sharing. Okay. The roll number is 27, no?
Yeah, yeah,
And
ma'am.
27. Okay. Next. Rule number 19. What is happening? We have not prepared any presentation or what? You're taking out photo albums.
No, ma'am.
What is happening?
Something is problem in my phone.
You should learn how to share, no, beforehand. And you can give your roll numbers in the chat box, everyone. Pollution is not my part. Okay, pollution, I have not taken pollution. If you're trying to. See, I asked you to like prepare, take, even if you don't prepare PPT, I asked you to take photos and share the photos, no? Like this shaking and everything. This is not how it's supposed to be. Anyways, just tell me your roll numbers and then you can proceed. Balu. And unmute yourself. You're on mute.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, shall I present?
Yeah. You can present.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Only kapag sa iduan. Mita. Yes na, share screen na. Okay na. Okay. Okay na. Alex.
Balo, just stop sharing and let Misha present first. And you learn from your friends how to do it and then you can do it. Stop sharing. Balo. Stop sharing. Just learn how to present first and you can ask your friends and let you know and then you can present. Please be fast. No, because we have limited time and there are many students. We will not have class for.
Ma'am, is there visible?
No,
Hello, ma'am.
no, it's not visible. You're not sharing the screen. Share the screen. And guys, just
Okay.
learn first, okay? Learn to how you can go through YouTube videos also, or the others also I'm saying. Or you can ask those who have already presented how to do it.
Ano day? Thank you.
See, like up till now,
Ano video on the one na ya?
23 minutes have passed and only one have presented. Basically not enough. Anyone else is there? Anyone else?
Ma'am, I'll give.
Yes, please. Oh, Celeste Sangman, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can present.
Ay, ganyan. Okay.
26. Okay.
Hi, ganyan. Okay.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yeah, it's visible. You can carry on.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Celestian Sangma. The topic I'm presenting is on cell cycle and cell division. What is cell cycle? The sequence of events by which a cell duplicates its cell, synthesizes the other constituents of the cell, and eventually divides into two larger cells is termed cell cycle. The cell cycle is divided into two basic phases, interphase and M-phase. Interphase. During interphase, the cell prepares itself for the division. This means that cells engage in growth and metabolic activities. This phase is further divided into three phases: G1 or gap 1 phase, S phase or synthesis phase, G2 or gap 2 phase. Let us now look at this phase one by one. During G1 phase, the cell is metabolically active and grows in size. During S phase, the replication or the synthesis of DNA takes place. In this phase, that means in synthesis phase, only the amount of DNA doubles, but the number of chromosomes remains the same. The S phase is followed by G2 phase. During G2 phase, the protein synthesis occurs and the cell continues to grow and prepare mitosis. Let us now look at the M phase, or it is also known as mitosis phase. The cell division that results in two daughter cells each having the same number and kind of chromosomes as the parent nucleus is known as mitosis. It involves two stages, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis means division of nucleus and cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm. Karyokinesis comprises of four stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Prophase. It is the first stage of mitosis. In prophase, the chromatin condenses into chromosomes, the centrioles separate, and spindles begin to form, and the nuclear envelope breaks down. After prophase, next is metaphase. It is the second stage of mitosis. In metaphase, the chromosomes line up across the center of each cell, spindle fibers attached to kinetochores of chromosomes. Anaphase is the third stage of mitosis. In anaphase, the sister chromatids separate and the centromere are pulled towards the opposite poles of cell by the mitotic spindle. The last stage is mitosis. The last stage of mitosis is telophase. In telophase, the chromosomes arrive at opposite poles and unwind into thin DNA. The spindle fibers disappear and the nuclear membrane reappears. During this phase, chromosomes undergo many changes and finally genetic material splits equally, and what happens after nuclear division is division of cell cytoplasm. The division of cell cytoplasm is known as cytokinesis. It is the final stage of cell division. In cytokinesis, the cleavage fluid pinches the cytoplasm into two new cells. Two identical diploid daughter cells are formed. Thank you.
Okay. Next. Next, can present.
Ma'am, can I give?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes. 32 row number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can present.
Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, all my dear friends. So, I'm going to present on a topic Animals Kingdom. Animals Kingdom is characterized by multicellular eukaryotic organisms. The cell lacks cell wall. They ingest and digest food holozoids, hence they are heterotrophic. Higher forms show elaborate sensory and system. Majority of them are molecular reproduction is mostly sexual and embryological development is present in them. About 1.2 million species of animals are described till now. The classification helped to assign a systematic position to newly described species. Next. Uh, Basis of classification. Though different animals differ in their form and structure, there are some fundamental similarities in them, such as arrangement of cell, the body systematic nature of diploblastic or triploblastic nature of the body wall, uh, segmentation present or absent, uh, extra. This feature form the basis for the classification of animals. Some of them are described below. Um, Level of organization. Multicellular organizations are made up of many parts that are need of survival. These parts are divided into level of organization. There are five levels of organization. 1. Cellular level. 2. Tissue level. 3. Organs level. 4. Organ system level. 5. Organism level. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Is there anyone else?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can present.
Ma'am, can I start?
Yeah, yeah. What is your roll number? Just tell me your roll number.
54.
54. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, friends. Uh, my topic: animals kingdom, kingdoms of tissue. Different tissue of sorry, different types of tissue and animals. Epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, uh, neural tissue. Epithelial tissue are with spirit throughout the body. They form the covering of all body surface, land body, cavities and hollow organs, and are the major tissue in glands. They perform variety of a function that include substance secretion, absorption, uh, excitation, filtration. This diffusion and sensory reception. And connective tissue. Connective tissue is the tissue that's connected spirits and support all another types of tissue in body. Like all tissue types of cells surrounded by a component of a build cells, the extracircular matrix. Muscular tissue. Muscular tissue is a soft tissue that's composite muscle in animals' wheels and give rise to muscle. Ability to connect it is also referred to as my propulsive tissue. This is opposite to another component or tissue in muscle, such as tendons and or ligaments. Neural tissue. The neural tissue is a special tissue with some special function. It is the main component of the nerve system, but the central nerve system and the peripheral nerve system. This includes the brain, spinal cord, and another types of nerves. Thank you, ma'am.
Take one more today, one more. I'll take one more today, whoever wants to give. Because we don't have much time. No one. If no one is there, then okay.
No, I will. Screen share. Ma'am, is there visible?
No.
How to connect, ma'am?
That's what I was saying. No issue. Just try it once.
Allow.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
is there
Yeah,
visible?
yes, yes. Tell me your roll number.
Ma'am, my roll number is 22.
22. Okay. Start.
Good morning, ma'am and everyone. Now, I'm going to present about blood. Blood is a special connective tissue consisting of a fluid, matrix, plasma, and foam element. Plasma. Plasma is a structural, viscous fluid constituting nearly 50% of the blood. 90 to 92% of plasma is water, and proteins contribute 6 to 8% of it. Three major proteins of plasma: fibrinogens, globulins, and albumins are the major proteins. Fibrinogens are needed for clotting or coagulation of blood. Globulins primarily are involved in defense mechanisms of the body, and the albumins and help in osmotic balance. Plasma without the clotting factor is called serum. Foam element: erythrocyte, leukocyte, and platelets are collectively called foam elements, and they constitute nearly 45% of the blood. There are three types of elements. Uh, erythrocyte. Erythrocyte is known as red blood cell (RBC), are the most abundant of the cell in blood. RBC are formed in the red bone marrow in the adult. RBC are devoid of nucleus in most of the mammals and are biconcave in shape. They have a red color, iron-containing complex proteins called hemoglobin. Second, leukocytes. Leukocytes are also known as WBC, white blood cells, as they are colorless due to the lack of hemoglobin. They, they are nucleated and all relatively lesser in number, which average 6,000 to 8,000 cubic millimeters of blood. Leukocytes are generally short-lived. There are two main categories of white blood cells: one, granulocyte, and two, agranulocyte. Neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils are different types of granulocytes, while lymphocytes and monocytes are the agranulocytes. Last one is platelets. Platelets, also known as thrombocytes. Blood normally contains 150,000 to 350,000 platelets cubic millimeters. Platelets help in blood coagulation. or clotting of blood. Thank you, ma'am.
You made only 2 slides. Huh?
What, ma'am?
You made only 2 slides. No diagrams, nothing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so for next class, prepare, okay? Like again, 4, 5 people. Be prepared
Okay.
for next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, and those who have not given your roll numbers, please give it and others can leave. Okay, those who have not given your roll numbers, you can give. If you have given it, you can leave.